Hello and welcome back to our How to Spatial Work video guide series, created by Lab. SpatialWork is our AI-powered low-code digital twin software. Digital twins made easy for everybody and for a more sustainable future. In today's video, we'll show you how to use a new feature in SpatialWork that converts your 2D floor plan into a 3D environment with just a few clicks, thanks to AI technology. But first, let's give some background. The idea behind a 3D floor plan converter is to automatically create a 3D plan from a 2D drawing. We developed this feature to simplify the process, as we found that many users didn't have 3D materials ready to use. Typically, users would need to perform 3D scanning, which is time-consuming, or convert files from BIM or another SketchUp design file. If users are unfamiliar with how to optimize these files, the process can become complex and expensive. In some cases, users may not have access to these files at all. It's not unusual for facility management teams to lack access to design files, as they're often held by the architectural design firm. These challenges make it difficult for users to easily create their own 3D environments from existing floor plans. Recognizing this, we developed a feature that allows users to create a 3D floor plan from a common file, benefiting anyone using SpatialWork. The starting point for this process is a standard 2D floor plan, which most buildings have today. These 2D layouts, often AutoCAD files, provide a basic outline of the space and walls. SpatialWork's 3D floor plan converter AI can then build a 3D digital twin environment from these 2D plans. Let me show you how it works. First, go to your Lab client portal, then to your media library, and upload your 2D floor plan as a JPEG file. For the best results, use a 2D floor plan similar to the examples shown in this video. To convert the file, right-click on it and select Convert to 3D. The 3D conversion engine runs in the background, generating the 3D model and automatically uploading it back to your personal folder in the media library. In this video, our user folder is named Test Group. The 3D generated model, however, is located within the 3D tab category in the Asset folder group. Let's generate a few more conversions using files named BB and A. Generally, converting a 2D floor plan to a 3D digital twin file takes a few seconds, depending on the file size and clarity, and how well the AI can recognize and interpret the features and context of the image. Keep in mind, depending on when you're watching this video, this feature might still be in beta, meaning we're continuously refining it. Now, let's start a simple project with the converted 3D floor plan. First, log into SpatialWork using your Lab registration credentials. Then create a new digital twin project. We'll name ours 3D Blueprinting. Once your scene loads, access your SpatialWork content library within Planner mode. Since this feature is still in beta, there are some limitations to be aware of. The 3D converter tends to generate floor plans larger than the original 2D versions, and we're working on improving this. Now, import the 2D images and the 3D converted files from the client portal. After importing, you may need to adjust the scale for accuracy, ideally setting it to 0.01. SpatialWork is designed for easy scaling and dimension adjustments, offering flexibility across different aspect ratios. Placing the models side by side, you'll see different aspects are converted based on the details provided in the two floor plans. Sometimes the conversion might simplify the structure too much, but with detailed floor plans we achieve better accuracy. As demonstrated, the model identifies walls, doors, windows, and other segments clearly, showing good accuracy. This model is almost ready for direct use in SpatialWork for your digital twin project as a floor plan model. It's quite user-friendly, so give it a try, and if you encounter any issues, we'll be happy to help. Remember to join our LinkedIn group and YouTube channel so you are notified as soon as new features and updates are announced. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.